Assalamu alaikum students, we are here again with our new topic. Today's topic is on grammar, and this chapter we will be studying only the grammar part. So you all are ready, and I start with kinds of adverbs. As you all know, what are adverbs? It is one of the parts of speech that you have already studied, and I have already told you that how to understand or to identify an adverb. It has to have an ly, okay? It has to have an ly. And in other terms, how will you define an adverb? An adverb is a word which tells us more about the verb or even an adjective, okay? So for example, over here, Tom works extremely hard and the water is terribly cold. The best way to identify is you will have an ly and you will have an ly. Now, just as you know, there are kinds of nouns, you have studied kinds of pronouns. Similarly, you have kinds of adverbs, okay? Kinds of adverbs. Now, how many kinds of adverbs are there? Based on the definition that you have studied, we have 4 types of adverbs. They are adverbs of manner, adverb of time, adverbs of place, and adverbs of frequency. Now, what is an adverb of manner? Manner means how you do it. So, the question that you will ask in this is how. What is the question going to be asked? How. So, for example, as I told you, these adverbs will describe the way in which the work was done. Like for example, he was driving carelessly. As you know, I have already taught you what is the sentence pattern. Subject, verb plus object. Now, don't remember this object right now. Remember the subject. He is your subject, was driving is past continuous, and carelessly just next to that is your adverb. So, you ask the question how he was driving. So, the answer you will get carelessly, and moreover it is with an ly. So, it is called as adverb of manner. So, any verb you do in any manner, it will be called as adverb. The next one is adverb of time. So, here again I will tell you in simple language, it will tell us how a certain verb, adverb and verb, as you see, they are together, add with a verb, are you understanding? It will tell more about the verb. That is why it is called as an adverb. Now, here it will tell us how the verb has been done in what time. So, the question asked will be when, okay? When was the following work done? When was this work done? For example, I am starting school tomorrow. So, again your sentence pattern is I subject, am starting verb, present continuous. Now, school is your just a simple part of the sentence, but when is your school starting? Tomorrow. So, tomorrow becomes adverb of time. Next is adverbs of place. Adverbs of place will tell us that action has been done, because verbs ke maane hote hain action. This action has been done in which place. So, the question asked will be which. Okay. So, this will be called as AP, adverb of place. Adverb of frequency. Frequency is when an action is done, how frequently. Frequently the meaning also comes in time, okay. So, the words used for this will be again how, same, how often, like that. So, for example, I will never make that mistake again. So, here he is saying that again I will never repeat that mistakes. He practices the piano regularly. Regularly is also a time. How often he does it. So, the question asked will be how often. It will be called AQ, adverb of frequency. So, here I have made a little table and it is there in your wow book to show you some words to define adverb of manner, adverb of time, adverb of place, and adverb of frequency. So, please understand this, and I hope you have understood this. Happy learning.